Hermes Media 3. Today I cleaning that one. It's a lot inside, even though very old postage. It's 3 cents. Very old one, right? Yeah. History, American historian. Yeah. Francis Parkman. Okay. And then also other stuff I found inside this stuff, and then another one. Anyway, this is it's yesterday I reviewed the Hermes 3000 generation, but at that time first generation is different from the second and third one, right? But this one is another different. The nothing here. The kind of stuff. So I think this around here stuff, the 3000, it's the I guess is maybe tap function, because this has no tap, right? So no tap function. That's why. Also, this one has no like tension, something like that. Anyway, this one used a lot, I guess. See, very dirty. Already it's clean. I clean a lot, and then still, then bottom line like this base. Little bit easy this one to take off the case, so that's good thing to clean. And then this one is special because the typeface, it's cursive. See, cursive typeface. So it's not cheap one. Even though the compared to the Hermes 3000, this is a simple one because no tap, no like a fancy margin setup. This is like a magic magic setup. Instead of fancy stuff, there is no the kind of red, right? But it's like Noya magic margin exactly works same way. Then this one is angled. That means second version of the Hermes 3000. Exactly same this stuff. Yeah, after clean and then reassemble, I will test the typing. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, feeling, touch feeling, I guess exactly same. It's a very old ribbon. So I bought this one from the very old lady from the Baltimore, Maryland, long time ago. So I didn't clean yet. So today, rainy day, so I choose this one for cleaning. Okay, let's see. I finish cleaning this one, and then I reassemble. And then actually it's Olympia SM4. I cleaned 1 month ago. So both got the same typeface. It's a cursive. So I wanna also compare typeface, and then feeling of touch, and then total size, and then weight. It's a Media 3. It was manufactured in 1970. This one is 1959, so almost 11 years difference, around 10-year difference. So first the size. This one is a little bit more compact size. It's the total from here to here. It's less than 11 inch, right? It's a little bit, I guess, is 10.5 inch. Yeah. But the key from the shift key to shift key, it's almost 9 inch. But this one is exactly the same, the key size, key wide. almost 9 inch, but the outside case it's like very close to 12 inch. That means almost this one is 1.5 inch more wider than the Olympia SM4. Also this length is different. This one is less than or very close to 12 inch, right? But this one is a lot much like I say like more than 13 inch. That means 2 inch more deep, right? And then this is the wide is 1.5 inch. This one is wider. That means more bigger. Also the height. This one is like less than 5 inch, right? Here less than 5 inch, but this one is like more than 5 inch. So that means maybe half-inch taller. This one half-inch taller. But the weight is I guess is almost same or a little bit heavier this one. So more, that's why this one is more like reliable, or when you hit the key, this one is more sturdy, but this one is a little bit like compared to this one, it's like a little bit light feeling, and then after hitting a lot, it move a little bit like this, like this, like this. But this one is almost same way. And then this is a very simple version from the Hermes 3000, right? No tap key, right? No tap function, and then no fancy like margin setup. It's like exactly same the Royal Magic margin, same function. So a little bit, I guess, cheaper than 3000 Hermes. But I cleaned yesterday. This one is 1 month ago, and then this one is it's like segment shifted. But you can listen, right? Like a little bit friction, right? Sound of the friction. But this one is carriage movement. See? Just the end of the movement, we can touch. You can hear the touch sound, but during the movement, nothing, right? But this one, see? Yeah. So that's why I think this is more, even though it's carriage movement, I think this one is a little bit more feeling good. This is segment movement, but I don't know why. Little bit it's like we can hear the sound of the friction, even though I oiling. Yeah. So yeah, that's different. So little bit smaller but heavier. This one is a little bit bigger but lighter. So I think it's a personal preference. I like this one better. This is a very dirty when I bought this one, so that's why I clean more and more and more. But this one, not that dirty compared to this one. So I clean but very quickly. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Let's see the sample example of the typeface. Okay, both is a cost very nice one, and then we'll compare. I'll start with this one first. This is SM4 Olympia. Good, right? And then actually I changed this one again. I used the whole thing from the early version of SM3, but this guide is too wide, so continually the ribbon touched on the paper. So just I switch this part from the SM3 later version. Then after that, I can get a very clean result without any touch ribbon any touch on the paper. And then I took this paper out from this machine, and then I put back this Hermes Media 3. Okay. Now I am using the Hermes Media 3. I think Media 3, Hermes Media 3, little bit soft compared to the Olympia SM4, but overall feeling, typing, I guess I am little bit like more Olympia SM4. I think the SM4 is character per inch, but is Hermes Media 3 is like 12 character per inch. But letter size, little bit SM4 is bigger than Media 3, but almost right. All right, thank you for watching.